What's up, everybody? I'm Tyler with Tactical Dad Life. I'm here at Breeze Hill Ministries today. I'm going to be going over in this Google Classroom video how to build a proper fire lay and start a fire. You want to start with collecting your firewood, preferably off the ground. So finding trees that have fallen over and they're hanging above ground, they're caught on other trees or other limbs, those are going to be more dry than the ones that's going to be on the ground. If you can't find anything like that, you can settle for what's on the ground. It just needs to be somewhat dry. So you're going to be looking for tinder, kindling, and fuel. Okay, tinder's going to be on the small side. You're going to create your bird nest with a whole lot, smaller, finer things. Certain types of grass, vine bark. You get on the side of a cedar tree and you get the edge, the 90-degree spine of your knife, and you're going to scrape on the side of the tree. The bark will come off and it'll be real fibrous, and you can process it down and it can be turned into string or rope or what have you, and you can process that down. It's real fibrous. That's what you kind of want to make. That material is what you want to make your bird nest out of, and it looks like an actual bird nest. And smaller grass, smaller twigs, real small needle size, that's going to be your bird nest. That's going to be what you need to get your fire started. When you get your ferro rod or your cigarette lighter started into that, it's going to burn real quick and it's going to light easily. The next pile of sticks that you need is going to be your kindling. It's going to be anything from pencil size up to the size of your thumb in diameter or your index finger. They're not going to be as big as fuel, but they're not quite as small as your tinder. It's kind of in between. So once your tinder is lit up, it's going to burn into your kindling. It's going to be smaller sticks that's going to burn easier and help catch onto that flame and burn a whole lot better. And so you want to get a style of those, but you want to break them down at about 12 inches or so. They don't need to be very long, but you just process them down and have your pile. And then we go into your fuel. And so your fuel is going to be about as big as around as your wrist or bigger. Whatever size that you feel like you need to have that's going to be that big to help have a sustainable fire, that's going to be your fuel. It's going to keep it going and keep that warmth going and keep that fire going to where you can cook on it, boil water or whatever. So that's the three things you're going to look for whenever you start to build this fire lay. You want to have a little platform. So you're going to find some smaller sticks to just kind of lay on the ground, and it's going to be your platform where you're going to sit your bird nest. You can sit it there and keep it off the ground to where it won't be damp. It'll remain somewhat dry. And so you build your platform, and you take a stack of your kindling, and you're going to make it into like a teepee over that platform, and just let the sticks fall however they may, and you want to prop them up like a little teepee. You're going to get your bird nest and stick it on that platform underneath that teepee, and you're going to use your ferro rod, cigarette lighter, whatever, to start that fire. Once it starts, you turn your bird nest over so it can catch fire and burn through, and you just pull the top of that teepee, that kindling teepee, over on top of the fire and let it start burning through those sticks. When you have the flame coming through the top of those sticks, it's burning good, and you need to add some fuel to it. And so once you get that fire going, it's burning through those medium-sized sticks, you want to add your fuel to it, add the bigger sticks to it, and you just keep adding fuel to it and keep that fire going. And that's how you have a sustainable fire. So remember that you're looking for tinder, you're looking for kindling, you're looking for fuel. Okay, that's what you want to look for whenever you're building a fire, and that's the process that you go through to have a sustainable fire. So I hope y'all learned something. Thank y'all for sticking around. Thank y'all for y'all's support. We'll see y'all next time.